In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the OpenAI server status and troubleshoot if you're having issues accessing ChatGPT. This guide will walk you through the simple steps, offering tips along the way to ensure a smooth process. First, we'll start by visiting a dedicated site that provides the current server status for OpenAI. The URL you need is statusopenai.com. Head over to this site when you suspect there might be an issue with the servers. It's your first checkpoint to determine if there might be an outage affecting your service. Information here is regularly updated, so you'll get a clear picture if there are any ongoing issues. If the servers are indeed down, unfortunately, all you can do is wait until OpenAI resolves it. It's always a good idea to check back in a little while, as these issues are often addressed promptly. Now, assuming the status page indicates that everything is running smoothly on OpenAI's end, but you're still facing problems, the next step would be refreshing your session. Start by logging out of your ChatGPT account. To do this, ensure you're completely signed out, then close your browser entirely, not just the tab. This can help reset any session errors you might be encountering. Once you've reopened your browser, head back to chat.openai.com and log in with your credentials. This fresh start can remedy many basic loading issues or glitches you might be experiencing. Still facing troubles? Then it might be time to dive into your browser settings. Clearing your cache and cookies can solve many hidden problems. If you're using Chrome or Edge, go to the settings menu and navigate to privacy and security. Here, you'll find an option for clear browsing data. Select it and make sure to choose cookies and cached images. Clearing these can free up space and resolve conflicts that might be causing issues with logging in or loading pages. After doing this, restart your browser to ensure the changes take effect. If all else fails, consider using the incognito or private browsing mode. This mode often bypasses any browser extensions or cached data that could be inadvertently causing conflicts. Open up a new incognito or private browsing tab depending on your browser of choice. From here, log back into ChatGPT. This fresh session often solves issues because it operates without the influence of most installed extensions or old cookies and cached data. These steps should help you in checking the server status and troubleshooting common access problems with ChatGPT. Following these measures will often get you back online and working with minimal downtime. Remember, patience is key, especially in situations involving server issues, as they are typically resolved by the provider in due course. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful.